How to use Back Tap on iPhone with iOS 18. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the fantastic Back Tap feature on iPhone with iOS 18. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone by tapping the gear icon on your home screen. Then, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, where you can find a variety of customization options. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap on Touch, and scroll down until you find Back Tap near the bottom of the list. Once there, you can assign actions for both double and triple taps. For example, tap double tap and choose an action like App Switcher to quickly switch between apps. Next, tap triple tap and select an action like Control Center, so you can access quick settings with just 3 taps on the back of your iPhone. After setting it up, go back to save your changes and test it out. Double tapping the back of your iPhone should bring up the App Switcher, and triple tapping will bring up the Control Center. If Back Tap doesn't seem to work, ensure that your phone case isn't too thick, as it can block the taps. It also helps to practice tapping firmly on the back near the Apple logo for the best results. That's it. You're all set to use Back Tap and enhance your iPhone experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.